Okay, one of the coolest things of a tractor is the backhoe. And of course, as a regular, you don't really need it. You need all the other implements that tend to be on the back of a tractor. So you have a quick connect as a normal rule, and this video is a little bit about how to get it done quickly. So the goal here is to show you how I'm doing it, and let's get started. So one of the coolest things on a tractor is a backhoe, and in fact I would almost argue that that's exactly what you think of when you think of a tractor as a backhoe in the back and a bucket in the front. Now of course the implements on a tractor are vast, and you're getting even more and more with every day. And one of the elements of the tractor is the fact that you want to put implements on the back of it, and you want to be able to quick connect it. On this Kubota, that's exactly what this is called, a quick connect. So one of the elements of getting to your backhoe and putting it on in a quick fashion is just simply taking this off. And in fact, this is the longest portion of it, is to get this off before you can put the backhoe on. The backhoe being put on the back of it, oddly, is not that difficult, because guess what? You leverage the backhoe to put it on. So let's do this quickly to see if we can get it done in under 15 minutes. That's not what I wanted. Anyway. Okay, the quick connect is off, so I got to go all the way down to the yellow shop to go get the backhoe. So let's go take a trip. Well, the entrance is starting to come together, and it's really kind of cool. Looks like the willow's just starting to leave out. hydraulics are hooked up, it's time to turn on the tractor and use the backhoe to put itself on. So I didn't explain a lot of what I just did. Basically, the tractor was just too loud. I wanted to work that through first. So all you do is hook up the hydraulics by switching out the hoses from the back of the tractor to the backhoe. Okay, using the backhoe levers, you're going to go ahead and seat the post that goes through the back on the bottom here into the hook that is the back of the tractor, right? Then you're going to use the hydraulics to move this top part into the hole, then slip this pin. So once the pin's in, so anytime this pin is rigid to get through, you're going to definitely want to use your levers again to kind of adjust this because it should slip right in. There's no grease needed or anything of that nature. The pin should just slide in. So if you're forcing it through, you're definitely doing something wrong. And you want to get that channel there, that hole to be lined up 100%. And then no problems, it'll just slide right in. So now this looks like a classic tractor as you envisioned when you were a kid. So now it's time to go ahead and start working on a couple other projects. That's in another video, but I wanted to show how I put my backhoe on. So until next time, see you soon.